Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm so excited to bring to you my 2018 Easter home tour. So I'd like to welcome you to my home, and I'm going to flip the camera around and we'll get started. Okay guys, I thought I would start right here on my sofa table. I don't do a lot of decorating for Easter. I kind of keep it simple, but let me show you what I've done. That's just the little candle that I received in my FabFitFun box. I love it. And that's just two little rabbits that I got last year on clearance from Walgreens. And then that's my little picture frame that I DIY'd, and I have a video of that on my channel. And then this is my beautiful little flower arrangement and container that I made, and I have a DIY for that as well. And I have a DIY for those orbs that I made. I decoupaged napkins on them, and I love them. So I think this is a really pretty little display that I have there. And we have our pool covered right now because the oak trees are dropping all their leaves and their little seed pods, and it's a mess when that happens. So we cover it for about a month. And then right here is this, my little paint stir stick container that I made, which I have a video as well on, and then my Easter crosses that I made, and there's a video on that. Pretty much everything you see in here I will have made, but I love that, and I love the meaning of it. And then up here's my little bunny from Dollar Tree. I always have to hang him up. He's just so happy. And then what we'll do is we'll come around this way. And here are my little containers, candy jars, that I made last Easter. And there's naturally a video on that as well. But I love them. I think they turn out so cute. And I always have to have a little boy and a little girl to represent me and my husband. And then up here I usually just put little stickers from Dollar Tree. They're the ones for the windows. But I think it works really nice on my glass on my cabinets. And then over here, I'm hoping that this, I still am having so much trouble with the light, but this is an adorable little Mr. Bunny right there with his carrot. And then that is a little chick from Dollar Tree. And that is Easter, and I got that at Target's Dollar Spot. And there's a little rabbit from Dollar Tree. And then here's Mrs. Bunny. I think she's adorable with her flower. So let me try to back. There's just so much light coming in from that window. Even though I have the shades drawn, it's hard to see. And then right here are the bottles that I DIY'd from Dollar Tree. And I have a video on that. And then up here is the other little bunny with his little flowers and butterflies. Well, actually, that's the girl. The boy was on the other side. And then over in the corner, I just have a server, really, that you're supposed to put cookies on from Walmart, but I thought it looked really cute and bright in this corner. And then here's just my little coffee tea station that I have on this side. I'm really enjoying it, and like I said, I love to put honey in my teas. And then right here is how I have the refrigerator decorated. I just love the bike. I got this last year at Big Lots, and it says Hello Spring, and I just think it is so happy looking. And then up there's the little gift bag picture frames that I made last year, and there's video of that on my channel as well. And when you pan around this way, I just have a door knob decoration from Dollar Tree hanging there. I think it's really pretty. And then over here I have my succulents that I just DIY'd from Dollar Tree, and I think it looks beautiful in here. And then this, I just put some eggs from Walmart in my little container that I bought at TJ Maxx quite a while ago. And then up here, it just says, welcome to my garden. I got that last year at Walmart. Some of this stuff was in my home tour last year, not all of it. And then this just says, Happy Easter, hanging between my microwave and my stove. And I bought that at Old Time Pottery. And then these are my hand towels that came from Big Lots as well to match the decorations that I have on my refrigerator. And then up here is the sign I made, and there's a funny story to that. My husband had the vacuum cleaner in here after a bee, and he sucked the bottom wording off, so I'm trying to find another one of those little peel and stick signs from Dollar Tree. It was hilarious. And then this stays up year round. This is the paint stir stick piece of decor that I made, which is on my channel, for these measuring spoons that my sister-in-law and brother-in-law bought me for Christmas, and I love them. And then when you pan around this way, we're into the dining room. So let's start over here at the my little drink cart. And I bought that little hand towel from Dollar Tree. And then just here's my 3-tier tray that I made, which I have a video on. But I just put a bunny from Walmart, and I put some eggs, and I love that cross. Be still and know that I am God, and that is so true, with a little butterfly in the back. And then Happy Easter from Walmart. And then there's one of my little DIYs there in the back. I just took the candle holder off of it to make it shorter. And then here's all of our goodies that we love, the little Debbies and the M&Ms, and then my little napkins. And then down here, I just have a DIY picture frame out of gift bags. And then I bought that little rabbit at Walmart, and I think he's adorable. And then here's my little bunny that I got at Target's Dollar Spot with my eggs that I DIY'd. And then my husband made me that drink station, so I love how that looks. And then in here, I just have some flowers and greenery from Big Lots hanging through my light that's over my table. And it goes well with that little arrangement. And then this is the box that I made with the bling that I got from Totally Dazzled last year. My husband made the box, and then I put all the bling and the mirrors from Dollar Tree on there. But they really do have some nice things. And then over here, I just hung this little wreath over in the middle of my my mirror. I got that wreath at Hobby Lobby, and I got it for like $10. They were having a really good sale. And then here's another one of my DIYs. And then you just come into my living room, and I don't have a whole lot in here, but here is my wreath that I made, the succulent wreath. I love it. I think it is so beautiful. And then I'm going to turn around this way to get away from the light. And then up there is another DIY that I made. And then we'll just come this way. Now that's my gallery wall, and don't pay any attention to that because I'm not finished. But I DIY'd a lot of that. And then here's my little table that my husband made me with all my DIYs on. I love it. And I got those little bunnies from Target Dollar Spot. And that greenery's from Hobby Lobby. And then there's my little bird cage DIY. I love it. It's so pretty. And then down here is my other little DIYs that I've made. And then as you look here, there's my grateful that I DIY'd with those stencils that I love. I'm going to do another video on something like that soon. And then here is my wreath, and it's so hard to see because there's so much light coming in. And then we just turn around, and then you're in my, I guess you would call this like a den. And then here's my lantern, and I love how that turned out. And I did put lights in it. I think it gives it a really nice look. But that is how that looks in here. And other than that, I really didn't do a whole lot, like I said. So I'll come back in this way and give you a view of how it looks through there. and then into my kitchen. So I hope everyone enjoyed this home tour. I'm going to end it right here. And I hope everyone has a blessed, happy Easter, and you get to be with your family and your friends, and you remember the true meaning of Easter. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.